Make Christmas photo cards, personalized Christmas cards. Send your holiday greeting with these custom Christmas card ideas. As the Christmas season approaches, it's fun to touch base with your friends and send them a picture of your family. And in this age of digital cameras and the internet, it's easier than ever to make homemade Christmas cards. Here are some tips on how to make photo Christmas cards. Online photo cards. There are a number of ways to make a photo Christmas card. The easiest way is to make cards online through a site that offers card-making software. Websites like Shutterfly and Snapfish offer card-making programs that are easy to use. At My Card Maker, you can go in and create and print personalized cards in just a few easy steps. In addition, most online photo cards come complete with matching envelopes. Kiosk photo cards. Many discount stores have kiosks where you can make your own Christmas photo cards on the spot. The Kodak Picture Maker kiosk offers a step-by-step method for making custom cards with the touch of a button. Best of all, you can have them printed instantly. All you need to do is bring your favorite picture to scan or bring the memory card to your digital camera. If you plan to make a copy of a photograph that was taken by a professional photographer, keep in mind that there are strict copyright laws and you may have to get permission from the photographer. Getting started. No matter how you choose to make the Christmas photo card, you will need the following: a great picture, a border, or background, a greeting or message, and an envelope. Choose a great picture. Set your family up in front of the Christmas tree or in front of a plain white background and snap some photos. Or take an old favorite and incorporate it into your card. Keep in mind that if you plan to make an online photo card, you will need to have a digital photo in a JPEG format to get the best quality. Choose a border. On online sites like Snapfish and Shutterfly, there's a huge assortment of Christmas card borders to choose from. Scroll through all of the options to find one that coordinates well with your chosen photo. Choose a greeting. Most online card maker sites give you the option of adding a personalized greeting to your card. Choose a phrase or greeting that is suitable for all of your recipients. Don't forget to include the names of all of your family members. Really homemade cards. Don't want to rely on an online site or kiosk. Incorporate your photos into homemade cards made completely from scratch. You will need cardstock, glue, scissors, a hole punch, and embellishments like glitter, stamps, or ribbon. Cut 2 pieces of cardstock into your desired shape. Some suggestions include a Christmas stocking or ornament shape or a snowman shape. Glue the photo to one of the cardstock pieces and attach the 2 pieces together by punching a hole at the top and tying them together with ribbon. You can also just fold a piece of cardstock in half and embellish it with a Christmas-themed stamp or border, found at craft stores. Glue the photo that you want to include inside the card. Not sure what type of greeting to write? Look at old cards that you have or check the online card sites for inspiration. People will love receiving your homemade, custom cards. Make it easy with photo frame cards. For a super easy way to send photo greetings, purchase photo frame greeting cards from any card or discount store. Insert the appropriate size photo, usually a 4x6, and you have an instant Christmas photo card. These Christmas card ideas will help you create a unique and fun photo card that all your recipients will enjoy. Useful links: Snapfish, Shutterfly.